If organic chemistry were a person, it would be that ex of yours, which made you fall hard and then gaslit you into doubting your own intelligence. Yeah, welcome to the academic scam called organic chemistry. The one subject that makes even intelligent students feel like they have taken a wrong turn in life. But chill, you're not dumb. You're just being taught the wrong way. Let's address the elephant in the room, or shall I say, the carbon skeleton in the room. Why is organic chemistry so hard? Let's first accept the problems of organic chemistry in general. It is abstract. Orbitals, electrons, hybridization, everything that you need to understand is, well, invisible, right? And they are being taught as if you carry an electron microscope in your pocket. Spoiler alert, you don't. The names of the organic reactions seem like they are partners in some law firm like Zaitsev, Hoffman, Kolbe, and your job? That's to remember who does what, in which condition, and why do they change personalities in different reactions like characters in soap operas. And also, in a lot of situations, you are basically taught how to mug, not how to think. If your plan is to memorize 150 reactions with a leaky brain, I have news for you. Even AI struggles with it. Organic chemistry is not about memory, it's about mechanisms, patterns, and logic. There are exceptions, two exceptions. Just when you thought that you have figured out the mechanism, finally, boom, there's a twist. Like CBSE is suddenly changing the syllabus 2 weeks before the boards. Everything makes sense until it doesn't, unless you have conceptual clarity. And that, my friend, nobody really bothers to give you, right? In that context, let's understand one more thing. Passive learning is for suckers. If your entire strategy is watching YouTube videos on organic chemistry at 1.5 speed and understanding resonance, hyperconjugation with half a brain cell, congratulations. You are doing it exactly wrong. Here's the big deal. Watching reactions is not the same as learning them. Passive learning equals guaranteed confusion. Active learning, on the other hand, is survival and clarity in the topic. So, how do you do that? Draw mechanisms yourself. Don't just copy notes like a zombie. Think and ask, why is this electron moving there? Build models. Use your hands, Lego, kits, even matchsticks work fantastically. You're not too cool for that. You're just lazy. Fix that. Flashcards and quizzes. Not for the aesthetic, but use them to actually hammer those reactions into your long-term memory. How to actually master organic reactions. Now let's break this down like a benzene in harsh sunlight. To master organic chemistry reactions, you need to understand why for every what. Who is the real drama queen in the whole mechanism? Who is throwing all the tantrums? Who is stealing all the electrons? Who can spread out all their charges and chill? Inductive effect, hyperconjugation, steric effects. These are all sexy little terms that decide which one reacts and which one bail out. Mnemonics? Well, sure. But mnemonics only work after you have actually figured out all the mechanisms, not before. Otherwise, they are simply mental graffiti. They serve nothing if you don't understand them properly. Organic chemistry is not hard because it is vast, because students try to cram them like a movie plot just before the exam night. That's not going to work. Try this instead. Spaced repetition. It's like workout. You don't get abs from one workout. You get them from consistency and rest. Same with your brain. Pomodoro and weekly targets. 25 minutes focus and a 5-minute break. Not 2 hours of scrolling followed by 15 minutes of guilt. Study groups. Yes, you will probably waste some time, no doubt about that. But also, hearing your friend explain the same concept in much more dumbed down language actually helps you get that concept very well. It just makes it click. Most of you think that watching one short long video is like understanding the topic in the whole. One full YouTube video for one topic is equal to understanding. Well, it's not. Here are the resources which you are probably missing out. Number one, good books. Solomons, Paula Bruce, Peter Sykes for the curious ones, and your good old NCRT for JEE and NEET. Online tools, apps like Moleview, ChemDraw, reaction simulators, flashcards like Anki, and mentorship. You should ask for help, not from that toxic topper who doesn't know how to explain, but from the teachers who actually know how to teach. So, in conclusion, let's not keep you hanging. Here's what you need to do right now to start. Number one, stop passive consuming. Start actively practicing. Draw 10 mechanisms a day with your hand, no matter what. Even if your drawings look like they were made by a drunk cow, as long as you do it yourself. Number two, master the basics before diving into the chaos. Hybridization, resonance, and acid-base theory. Treat these three like your holy trinity. First, understand the basics of these before moving to understand more complex concepts. Decode every reaction that you learn. Don't just learn what happened. You must understand why this happened. Not learning, it's all about understanding. You are, of course, not a parrot, so focus on understanding things like a human. And make peace with the fact that organic chemistry isn't like a sprint. It's more like a slow roast. Give it time, give it effort. Once it clicks, you will always wonder why you feared it all the time. So next time if somebody says that organic chemistry is all about mugging, then just smile and say that, nah, it's all about thinking, which explains why you are struggling. Like and share, comment with your reactions, either organic or emotional. And if you're still confused, you know where to find me. Link is in the bio. If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe to Chemistry channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any future update. I'll see you in the next one then. Bye-bye.